Hello and welcome to part 11 of the Doll 362 Replica build. Last thing to do to complete the machine itself is the governor. You can see it's still quite a couple of parts, but we've already made this one and this cube here. And I think the first thing we'll do today is the main shaft. Well, drawings right here, only a couple of dimensions, so let's go. To drive this top portion, we need two tapered wheels on here. One is the pulley and one transmits the drive up here through this taper. On the original, this would have been cut taper gears, which I don't have the facilities to. Some companies simply knurl the taper, but what I'm going to try first is simply a straight taper and transmitting the rotation through friction only. I hope this is sufficient, as I don't need this thing to turn terribly fast, just has to spin for the optics, and the knurling would give this mechanism quite a bit of extra noise, which I would like to avoid. Of course, these two tapers will have to match perfectly in order to give it the best chance at transmitting power, and that will probably take a bit of back and forth to match these two together.
I'm simply wild about the spring, about the songs the birdies sing. I'm just wild about everything, and especially you. I kind like the whippoorwills, I kind like the sleepy hills. I'm just daffy about daffodils, and especially you. Everybody tells everybody else that it won't be long. Soon there'll come a day when you'll hear them say, another good man gone wrong. I'm wild about your sister Sue, I like the whole darn family too. I'm just wild about everything, and especially you.
And that is how helical gears are cut. there we go. Completely pointless. Just like the entire rest of the machine. Well, that's it. The machine is complete. Now what I'm going to do is bend the tubes and contact the galvanics guy to see in what shape he wants these pieces to arrive, because I'm certainly not going to take the cylinders apart, so I'm hopefully going to find a way to seal this whole thing off with the pistons in place and send it off just like that. We'll have to take the entire base apart and paint everything. But, well, all that for another part. That's it for today. Thank you for staying, and let me know your opinions, as always, in the comments below.